Kung naghahanap kayo ng mura at affordable souvenirs at sobrang sulit at maganda pa, so ano pang inaantay nyo? Dito na kayo! Gumagawa po ako ng perfume souvenirs for all occasions. Kagaya po nito for baptismal. Ito ay 10 ml roulette perfume bottle. May 5 cents, 50 pieces. At included na po yung design na sticker bottle at saka yung ribbon. You can order in our Shopee shop. Link at the description. Or you can contact us, direct message us, or you can contact our number in the description. So what are you waiting for? Order now! We have also candle sticker design and also video invitation like this. Thank you to my pamangkin, you're super cute!